Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove 6 3.5mm screws and 2 4mm screws from the bottom cover. There are 2 clips that hold the bottom cover in place. Grab the top of the bottom cover and gently pull back to pop the clips free. Remove 2 1mm screws from the battery cable bracket. Remove the bracket and use a plastic spudger to gently lift up and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the webcam cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Remove 4 5mm screws from the hinges. These can be in pretty tight, so you may have to use a lot of torque. Remove 4 2mm screws from the antenna. Lift the antenna partway off the palm rest. Then lift the palm rest partway up and gently wiggle it free from the LCD assembly. Replace the palm rest onto the new assembly, and make sure to get the lip underneath the hinges. Lower it with the hinges, and put the antenna back in place. Replace the 4 2mm screws back into the antenna. Replace the 4 5mm screws back into the hinges. Plug the webcam cable back into the motherboard. Plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard and replace the cable into its foam groove. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bracket and replace the 2 1mm screws. Replace the bottom cover, and push down on the sides to snap the clips back into place. Replace the 6 3.5mm screws and 2 4mm screws back into the bottom cover.